In the early 1900s, in a small garage in Detroit, USA, Henry Ford envisioned making cars accessible to everyone. In 1903, he founded the Ford Motor Company with the goal of creating affordable car models. The significant breakthrough came in 1908 when Ford introduced the Ford Model T, an advanced and affordable car. The implementation of the advanced assembly line drastically reduced production costs, making the Model T the car for every family. In 1913, Henry Ford implemented the continuous assembly line, speeding up the production process and lowering car prices. This was a major leap in integrating cars into the daily lives of millions. Throughout decades, Ford continued to innovate with iconic models like the Ford Mustang and Ford F-Series. The company also consistently led in applying advanced technology and developing self-driving cars. With over a century of innovation and global influence, Ford continues to shape the automotive industry and bring about incredible new innovations.